Phonics Phase 2, Lesson 18, B sound.
One lovely morning, Mom sat with Hamdan and Raania for their phonics lesson. Before we learn a new sound, Mom said, let's revise the sounds we already know. Mom showed the sound cards.
S, A, T, P, I, N, M, D, G, O, K, K, A, A,
Hamdan and Raania happily said each sound together. Well done, Mom smiled. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Yes, the children replied excitedly. Mom showed them a picture of a ball. Ball begins,
with the P sound.
she said. Then she showed them the sound card. Hamdan and Raania said the sound together. Mom asked, can you think of another word that starts with the sound? Raania said, book. Hamdan said, bag. Excellent, Mom said. Next, they practiced writing the sound in the air. Mom said, start at the top, go straight down, go back to the middle, and make a round belly. Hamdan and Raania traced in the air with their fingers. Then Mom brought the sand tray, and the children carefully wrote the sound in the sand. You both did a wonderful job today, Mom said proudly. Hamdan and Raania smiled, happy to learn another new sound together.
Tricky words. I know. The, to, go, into, S, A, T, I, N, M, D, G, O, K, 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 A, b, boots, belt, ball, bus, bone, bat, bag, bell, bed, banana, balloon. Segmenting and blending. Bet, bet, egg, bag, big, big, babe, bin, eat, bit, at, bat, egg, bag, at, bat, back, back, at, bat, bus, bus, bun, bug, bug, tab, tab, tub, tub, cab, cab, rob, rob,